BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Earlier this week, Microsoft rolled out the latest optional update for the stable version of Windows 11 KB 5010414, which was a major update for Windows 11 and contained a whole lot of new features, add-ons, and numerous bug fixes for the stable channel of Windows 11. And I did post a video earlier this week if you'd like to go check that out. Now, one of the new features that KB 5010414 contained was a public preview of Android apps, but the only catch is that currently you have to be residing in the United States to be able to try out and run the new feature. Now, I have heard reports in the media that if you do change your region and language to the United States, obviously that's the English language, if you find yourself residing outside of the United States, you will be able to run Android apps on your device and try out this new feature. But that might not be a practical solution, though, for users of Windows 11 for some users of Windows 11 who find themselves outside of the United States. But nonetheless, the Amazon App Store integration into the Microsoft Store will basically allow you to download Android apps on your Windows 11 device, just like any other app from the Microsoft Store, and will also give you access to more than 1,000 Amazon App Store items. Now, recently over on Microsoft support, Microsoft posted the device requirements that you would need to be able to run the public preview of Android apps and run Android apps on your Windows 11 device. Now, if you are running Windows 11, most users will be able to run and try out the Amazon App Store integration and run Android apps on their current Windows 11 device. But a more detailed look at those device requirements, if we just look at those quickly, your RAM, your memory needs to be 8 gigabytes minimum, 16 is recommended. Your storage type, you'll have to be running an SSD, that's the solid state drive. Your processor, the minimum requirements for Intel are Core i3 8th gen or above, and those minimum requirements for AMD, Ryzen 3000 or above, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 8C or above. Your processor architecture will have to be 64-bit or ARM64, and then you will have to have a virtual machine platform installed. And clicking on this link, Enable Virtualization on Windows 11 PCs, will show you an in-depth guide on how to do that if you are unable to or don't know. Now, as I say, most users of Windows 11, if you are running Windows 11 currently, will be able to try out this new feature if you find yourself in the United States region. And once you have everything set up, you can just go to this link, and I will leave a link to this webpage and website down below for you to go check out more in depth. You can just go get the Amazon App Store, which will take you to the Microsoft Store. And if you are in the United States, you'll be able to try out this new feature. Now, as you can see, I find myself outside of the United States, and I don't want to change my language and regional settings at this stage. And also, it says here, your storage device isn't supported, which means, as we can see here, I don't have a solid state drive on this machine. I just have a normal mechanical hard drive. And then all you do is you just click on the install if you are able to install it, and that will install the Amazon App Store, and then you can try out those 1,000 different apps and items from the Amazon App Store with that preview of Android apps and run Android apps on your Windows 11 device. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.